Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Apple 2024 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop. Experience unparalleled performance and sleek design with the all-new 2024 MacBook Air 13-inch. This latest addition to Apple's iconic lineup combines cutting-edge technology with the elegance and reliability that you've come to expect from the MacBook family. Feast your eyes on the 13.3-inch Retina display, offering vibrant colors and razor-sharp text. At just 2.8 pounds and 6/10 of an inch thick, the 2024 MacBook Air redefines portability. Slip it into your bag and take it anywhere without feeling weighed down. Crafted with precision, its durable aluminum body comes in stunning finishes such as silver, midnight, space gray, and starlight. Powered by the next generation M3 chip, the 2024 MacBook Air delivers up to 50% faster performance than its predecessor. Whether you're multitasking, editing videos, or running intensive applications, this laptop handles it all with ease. Stay unplugged and productive throughout the day with up to 18 hours of battery life. Have the power you need from morning meetings to late night study sessions. With Touch ID, your MacBook Air is not only secure, but incredibly convenient. Unlock your laptop, make secure purchases, and access your most important documents with just a touch of your finger. Elevate your computing experience with the 2024 MacBook Air 13-inch today. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.